India's Artistic Legacy, Chapter 5, Section 4. Essential question: what are some important achievements in Indian arts? Literature. Kalidasa. Kalidasa is a Sanskrit poet and dramatist, probably the greatest Indian writer of any epoch. Probably considered one of the greatest love stories is Shakuntala, which is a famous play. It's about a beautiful girl who marries a middle-aged king, and they get married as like nature is their witness, so no one really knows that they got married. And the king tells the girl that he'll come back for her. In the meantime, she goes back home. She is so engrossed and so in love, she kind of is not seeing everything, recognizing the world around her, kind of being, has her head in the clouds, so to speak. And a sage comes and visits her, and he's upset by her kind of absent-mindedness. And he curses her and says, whoever has caused you to be in your thoughts like this, he will not recognize you when he sees you again. So therein lies the problem. So the king doesn't recognize Shakuntala when he sees her again. And there the story begins to unfold. Another thing that happens for literature is Madurai in the 100 AD becomes a site of a writing academy. Also, drama becomes popular, and you have traveling actors who put on performances, and they combined drama and dance. Epics Mahabharata and the Bhagavad Gita have been translated in many languages, so this shows the appeal of Indian literature by other cultures. Art and sculpture. Hindu and Buddhist art were important to the development of arts in India. Hindu art and Buddhist art differ in subject matter, so obviously Buddhist art is going to have pictures of Buddha, where Hindu art is going to portray different deities like the one in this picture. So although their subject matter, which they're actually showing, is different, the way that they render these images are the same. So stylistically, they would be the same. All right, make sure that you watch this video twice. Once, just watch it straight through. Then once, watch it and take notes. So you're going to have a lot of pausing, stopping, and replaying. And then read this section in your book. There is also a section for architecture, but we're going to cover that tomorrow in class. And we'll also look at some Hindu and Buddhist art. So have a good night, and I will check your notes tomorrow.